Hello, my friends. I'm Eric. Welcome back to the Slow English Podcast. Today, I want to talk about a problem that many English learners have. Do you sometimes forget words when you speak English? Do you stop speaking because you cannot find the right word? Maybe you are in a conversation, you want to say something, and suddenly the word disappears from your mind. It feels like the word is hiding from you. This can be very frustrating. But if this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people, even people with good English, have this problem. It is very normal. Your brain is learning, and sometimes it forgets. But I have good news for you. Today, I will give you 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. These tips are simple, practical, and fun. If you use them every day, you will see a big difference. You will remember more words, and speaking will become easier and more natural. So, let's start. Tip number 1. Think in English. One of the best ways to remember words is to think in English. Don't translate from your language to English. If you think in your own language, your brain needs more time to find the English word. But if you think in English, the words will come faster. How can you do this? Start small. For example, if you see the sun, say to yourself, the sun is bright. If you drink coffee, say to yourself, this coffee is hot. Do this every day, even with simple sentences. Over time, your brain will get faster and you will not need to translate. Tip number 2. Use simple words. Sometimes we forget a difficult word and then we stop speaking. Don't stop. Just use an easier word. For example, if you forget the word delicious, you can say very tasty. If you forget the word huge, you can say very big. Simple words are good enough. The goal is communication, not perfection. If people understand you, then you are successful. So remember, simple is powerful. Tip number 3. Speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them. Speak every day. Talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or even record your voice. If you don't have anyone to talk to, no problem. Look in the mirror and speak for 2 minutes.